Hi everyone, my name is Tan Jae Hui. I would like to present my assignment 1 of programming 2. First, create build add, and this is the main class. Create an object of menu display and call its display menu. Then create a recorded object and assign to display variable. User can enter their choice from 1 to 5 and others number as long as default and print the imaginary choice, and they can input again their choice. This is the menu. The main menu, the first is add record, second display record, third source record, fourth delete record, fifth exit. This is extract class which were obtained by recorder class. Add record, delete, add record, display record, source record, and delete record is extract class method with no parameter. Tariff block, SSD, and KWTBB is extract method with parameter. The user class encapsulated the data for a user record including ID, name, and unique. It is constructor, and get ID, get name, and get unique is the getter method. This is the recorder class. Attend the extract class recorder. The max record is 10. That means the maximum number of user only can input 10 times to record. This max record stored into the array and calculation called in here. For add record, user can enter the number of record to add. For each new record, it gather ID, name, and unique. Then create a new record. Then create a new user record then create the new user record object with the input data and store it into the array. Call the detail of calculation to compute the build detail for the newly added record. Display record. Check if there are any record to display. If not, it print no record found. If record exists, it print each record detail using the user detail and detail of calculation. And it also accumulated the total electrical bill across all record and print it. For source record, user can input the ID to source. If found, it print the user detail and detail of calculation. If not found, print an error message. Sorry, the data is not found. For the delete record, user can enter an ID to delete and search for the ID in the record array. If found, it shift all sequences record to the left to override the deleted record and decrement the count. Then reset total, amount SSD, amount KWTBB, total payment, and total electrical bill to 0. If the ID is not found, it print error message, sorry, unsuccessful. This tree is the overloading method, and this tree is the override extract method from the superclass and call their respective default method. User detail, print the ID, name, and unique, and detail of calculation is about the calculate and print the build detail for a user record using method for the calculation. For the unit more than 600, the amount SSD will be calculate and print. For the unit more than 300, amount KWTBB will calculate and print. Then we'll reset the total amount SSD and amount KWTBB to 0 for each record. User record, user detail and detail of calculation can say that is the helper method to avoid the duplicate occur. So this is the calculation class. The first is tariff block. For the first tier, tariff block is 200. Tariff rate is 0.218. The second is 100 tariff block and tariff rate is 0.334. The third tier tariff block is 300 and tariff rate is 0.516. The fourth tier tariff block is 300 also and the tariff rate is 0.546. For the tariff block more than 900, the tariff rate is 0.571. Then this calculate the SSD amount SSD calculate using the price of the 4 tier tariff block and 5 tier tariff block. And the rate SSD is 0.06. Then the KWTBB, the rate is 0.017. And this is the UML diagram for the sets class. This is the sample output for the choice 1. A user can input how many times they want to record. If user input 2 times, this is the first time and this is the second time. The choice number 2 is to display the record. It is display the first record and this display for second record, and total electrical bill will print here. The choice number 3 is source record. User can search their ID and if data is found, and this is the detail user and detail of calculation. And choice number 4 is delete record. Then if user want to delete, then it exit and in the array, then the record will be successful delete, and this print the record that haven't delete and print the total electrical bill. And 5 is and choice 5 is exist. Then that's all the sample output, and that's all the presentation for me. Thank you.